This is the man that's gonna make all those babies. Hello, riding superstars. So I am out with the girls. We've got 4 beautiful Frisian mares out here today that really want to get involved with the filming. So every girl in this paddock is related to Big Mama. Big Mama, this is Yancha. I imported her 10 years ago, I reckon, in foal, and she is my favourite mare on the planet. I actually competed her and rode her, and she's really, really amazing, and all her foals I had to keep because they were just so extraordinary. They're all so cuddly. She is so nice that even when one of her foals ate her ear, she just let it. That's how nice she is, and that's how kind she is. But she is the mother of every other of these 3 girls. This is Helena. Helena is a beautiful queen, and all 3 of these girls have the same dad. So Elko is their father, Helena, Lefty, Lucy. So Luce and Helena look very much alike, I always think, but Luce's mane is on the left. So that's how I remember Lucy Lefty. And this one at the back is Versace. So Versace is my favourite. She is extraordinary. She's a little bit hotter than the others. She's definitely the hottest mare I've ever bred. Just super sensitive, super hot, which is not normally characteristic in these breeds. But the reason I kept Yancha is she was the hottest mare out of all of them. So she, like Helena and Luce are also quite forward, very forward actually, when we brought them in, and very good off the leg. So these are my girls. I did one time breed up to 20 mares. This is all I have left, my 4 faves, and we're going to breed them to Ollie this year to make some really amazing babies, aren't we, Phil?
We are, yes, and actually thank, in a kind of way, Yancha's foal, because with her ear, at least it enables us to know which she is, because the other ones are all so similar, except for Versace. When we get closer, she has a little bit of white, and she's actually the youngest of the lot. So that's Versace there. She has a little sprinkle of white just under her forelock, actually.
Luce wants to come say hi.
But they are they're a very friendly bunch, aren't they? And yeah, we thought we'd take you behind our breeding operation this year and show you a little bit of the other side of the business of what we do.
And people always go, Tash, why Frisians, why Frisians? Look at them. Like, you can't even film, they're in your face this much. And they're kind, they're sweet, they love food. Of course Frisians, it couldn't be anything else. They're just the best. So this is Ollie. Ollie is my very favourite stallion. He tries so hard. Like, he's not built to do dressage. He's definitely not, totally talented at it, but he will try so hard. And I absolutely love him for it. And when I say he's not talented, he's a very talented Frisian at dressage. He's just not a very talented horse when it comes to all the warm bloods there are in the world for him to do it. But he loves to piaffe, and he loves to canter, and he loves to do the work. He's very cheeky. He loves to breed. He definitely thinks he's #1 stallion. He's got Arbor next to him. Arbor is his paddock mate, who, so all our stallions get to hang out. This is the stallion area. At one stage we had 5 stallions in this area. Now we've only got 2. But yeah, this is the man that's gonna make all those babies.
So he's the chosen one this year. He's like the lucky.
Aren't you excited?
Yeah, boy.
So my big plan for Ollie was to take him to the Olympics and take him all the way to Grand Prix. He was my Arbor replacement, and he definitely is my Arbor replacement and more. He's a lot more talented than Arbor and finds the work a lot easier. So we've been training him a bit, and he is almost ready for small tour, Prix St George. He's got some pretty good scores at medium, and we've just got to get our tempi changes. Changes are the hardest things for Frisians, and yeah, he gets a little excited when we go tempies, don't you? Yes, you do.